Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to hold down your light stand and soft boxes during an OCF photo shoot. Here is a sound clip from how windy it was that day. So this is what you want to prevent from happening. This. That could have been totally prevented. And a sandbag at the bottom of that light stand is not going to solve the problem. All right, so in my last video I spoke about I actually showed a clip of my light falling during a photo shoot. If you haven't seen that, here it is. I have found a way to solve that problem, and I mean, what you need, I provided the links to what you need down below, and in this video I will demonstrate how I put it together. If you have a better way of doing it, comment below, let me know, because you know we're all learning. Or if you have any other tricks that I don't know of which are better than this, just hit me up and let me know. So when you put the stakes down in the ground, get a little rod so that you can use it to twist it down. It's more effective that way, and you can get it to go further down that way. So I didn't have a rod for this shoot, so I twisted one down very well, and the other one I just used my hands, but it worked okay. And then when you are wrapping the chain around the pole, make sure you wrap it around the first screw up there, like the first nut, so that the chain doesn't slide down. So, you know, wrap it around a few times, and that should be fine. You can actually just tie a knot there too. That might be even better. So this process actually has worked very well. But just be careful if you are on somebody's lawn. Make sure you get permission before you start, you know, screwing things into their lawn. And but I think public spaces, I don't think you have a problem with this, because you're not doing any damage really. Make sure you strap up your pole first before you put on the soft box. Okay, so have your light set up ready, and then strap up your pole, and then put it on. Sorry, I had to say it. So yes, if you do have an assistant and you want to be moving your lights around, I mean, this would not be the smartest way to go about it. But if you don't have an assistant and you really want to use your OCF like I always want to do, well, you gotta find a way to survive, you know. And you can see from the diffuser of that softbox right there that it's blown in. And if you look carefully, the wind actually blew the diffuser head. It tilted it a little bit, so I had to screw it tight, you know. So it's not able to blow it off the ground, but it can move it around if the top is not tight on there. All right, well, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. And you know, if you did, give me a subscribe and a like, and then I will see you in the next video.